Welcome to Nature's Classroom, where we will embark on an exciting journey to explore the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables. Hi, friends, I am Lily, and I'm so excited to learn all about fruits and vegetables today. Our adventure begins with a visit to the Fruit Fiesta, where we will discover delicious delights. Wow! Look at all the different fruits. There are apples, oranges, bananas, and so much more. Each fruit is unique and packed with vitamins and nutrients that help us stay healthy and strong. Next, we will journey to the vegetable valley where we will uncover the secrets of garden goodies. Check out all the amazing vegetables. We have carrots, tomatoes, broccoli, and even peas. Vegetables are not only delicious but also provide us with essential vitamins and minerals to keep our bodies happy. Now, let's put our knowledge to the test in the garden gastronomy kitchen. It's time to get creative. We can make smoothies with fruits and salads with vegetables. Yum! These dishes look and taste amazing. Eating fruits and vegetables is not only good for us, but also super tasty. And so our adventure comes to an end. Remember, fruits and vegetables are nature's gifts, offering us health and happiness with every bite. Thanks for joining us today in Nature's Classroom. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the wonders of the natural world. Bye!